Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring a common issue that many React Native developers face when working with Huawei's agconnect library. If you've ever encountered the error, react-native-agconnect imported class is undefined, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the possible causes of this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. As React Native developers, we're always looking for ways to improve our app's performance, security, and functionality. Huawei's agconnect library provides a suite of tools that can help us achieve these goals. However, integrating third-party libraries into our projects can sometimes lead to unexpected errors. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of resolving this error and how it can impact your app's overall user experience. So what does the react-native-agconnect imported class is undefined error actually mean? Simply put, it indicates that the react-native-agconnect library is unable to find a specific imported class. This class is likely a component or module that's required by the library to function correctly. There are several reasons why this error might occur. One possible cause is that the library hasn't been properly installed or configured in your project. Perhaps you missed a step during the installation process, or maybe there's an issue with the library's version compatibility. Another potential reason for this error is that there's a conflict between the react-native-agconnect library and another third-party library in your project. Sometimes these libraries can have overlapping dependencies or incompatible versions, leading to errors like this one. To resolve this issue, let's go through a step-by-step process. First, make sure you've followed the official installation instructions for the react-native-agconnect library. Double-check that all required dependencies are installed and configured correctly in your project. Next, review your project's codebase to identify any potential conflicts with other third-party libraries. If you find any overlapping dependencies or incompatible versions, consider updating or removing them as needed. Another approach is to try cleaning and rebuilding your project. Sometimes a simple npm install or yarn install command can resolve issues like this one. Additionally, you can attempt to reset the library's cache by deleting the node, modules folder, and running a fresh installation. To summarize, the react-native-agconnect imported class is undefined error. Typically occurs when the react-native-agconnect library is unable to find a specific imported class. To resolve this issue, make sure you've properly installed and configured the library in your project. Review your codebase for potential conflicts with other third-party libraries, and attempt cleaning and rebuilding your project. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to resolve the react-native-agconnect imported class is undefined error in React Native. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, guides, and tips on mobile app development. We'd love to hear about your experiences with React Native and Huawei's agconnect library. Share your thoughts and feedback with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.